stop throwing away your egg cartons, because today I'm about to turn this into free plant starter pots. If you are a beginning gardener, classroom teacher, or just trying to grow some food without spending money, then this hack is for you. First, I want to show you what type of eggs we purchase. It's a 24 count large brown eggs from Sprouts. But what's so awesome about this container is it's made from recyclable paper. And that's why I chose to do the experiment utilizing this egg carton. Go ahead. All right. First, I'm going to start by just poking a hole in the bottom of each one of these, which this will allow the roots to grow out. As I said, I'm not sure what I want to plant yet. So I gotta look in the refrigerator, see what's in the refrigerator that I can actually put in here. But the good thing about it is I can plant 3 different things. I kind of messed this one up. So I could do 8 right here, 8 right here, and 8 right here. So we'll see exactly what I'm gonna plant. But you see the holes right here? So regardless of what I plant, it will allow the roots to come through because this is paper, biodegradable, and eco-friendly. And guess what? It's free because we already bought the eggs. Now we're gonna take this container outside because your girl can be a tad bit clumsy. And I don't wanna have to clean up soil off the floor. All right, so first I'm gonna use some of this Miracle Grow potting mix because that's the potting mix that I have. And then I'm going to fill up each one of the 24 cells. I kind of broke one, but it'll be okay. Because what I did, I cut it in half. I'll show you in a minute. I'm using this Miracle Grow potting mix, and I'm filling it half full because I'm going to place the seeds and then put more soil. Half. But you see, this was the top, but now it's going to be the bottom. And then we're going to sit this directly inside of here, like this. And next, we're going to finish this, go inside, and put our seeds. Okay, when I purchase beans at the store or I harvest them from our yard, I always put them in these mason jars for long-term storage, and then I add an O2 sensor on the inside just to give it a longer shelf life. Well, these I kept because I didn't have enough to put inside the jar. Well, I had an overflow, shall I say, and these were the extras. So I said, you know what? I'm going to put these outside. But since I have some, the top is kidney beans and the bottom is navy beans, I'm going to add this to our eggshell. Since we're experimenting, might as well experiment all the way, huh? All right, so now that I have my seeds, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 of the candy pumpkin. So I'm going to put all my seeds in first, and then I'm going to put a light layer of soil over the top. So this 8 will be pumpkin. How will I know? Because I'm about to write on the crate so I can remember, because I will forget. All right, now I'm putting the kidney beans in. And then the navy beans into our eggshell. And I just love watching beans grow. I think they make such pretty plants. and pumpkins as well. So now we have pumpkin. I'm going to write the kidney beans and then the navy beans so I can remember. And one good thing about it, I can actually cut out these sections if I want to and put a bean plant in with the squash plant to give it some more nitrogen. Or I can cut these into different cells later if I want to and place them wherever I want to put them on the yard. I just love beginner-friendly garden solutions that actually work in real life. And that's why I like this paper carton, recyclable paper carton versus the other, because you can't put the plastic one in the ground because it's not biodegradable. But this one is, you all. I now have the date, February the 14th, 8 pumpkin seeds, 8 kidney beans, and 8 navy beans. I had to replace that bean that was right there. So this way, I won't forget. Just thought about it again. Happy Valentine's Day, and thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. And if you are watching, G-Mom's baby, happy birthday and happy Valentine's Day. Now back to our regular scheduled programming. All right, we're gonna sit it right here and just watch it grow. And this is excellent for at home, a free way for your starter plants. It's excellent for classroom gardening, showing students about the bean and the stages of the bean. And you can also relate it to stages in their life. It's so many different things you can do with this egg carton. It's sustainable, it's eco-friendly, it's made from recyclable paper. Thank you for watching, tuning in with me on today as I do experiment after garden experiment. But you know what? That's one of the best things about gardening. There's no exact way to do anything. And the things that we think may not work may actually work. The things that we think may not grow may actually grow. But nothing beats a try, as Grandma used to say. So, do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. Do your family a favor. If you have not started already, get up, get out, and grow something. Get up, get out, and grow something. Greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes. Greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes. Grow something. Grow something. Greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes. Grow something. Grow something. I'm joking, but I'm also serious because you and I have to do for you and I. Even if you have to grow it inside hydroponically, inside a pot, inside with a grow lamp, or outside on a patio, in a pot, in a recycled container, such as we did today, just please grow something. Now, do me another favor and have a blessed day. Peace, love, and magnified blessings.